Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I am making crispy homemade aloo samosa. Crunchy outside with a spicy and flavorful potato filling inside. This classic snack is perfect for tea time lunch boxes or evening cravings. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon kalonji, half teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon oil. Mix everything well. Kalonji gives a beautiful bakery style aroma. Samosa is one of the most loved street snacks around the world. Now add 1/3 cup water gradually and make a smooth dough. Do not make the dough too soft. Rub a little oil over the dough and keep aside to rest. Now prepare the stuffing. Take 2 boiled mashed potatoes in a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons onion, 1 green chili, half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon cumin. Add fresh coriander leaves and mix everything well. Chaat masala adds tangy street food flavor. Now take small portion of dough and roll them out. Homemade samosas taste fresher and crispier. Cut as shown and fold into samosa shape. Place the potato stuffing inside. Apply water at the edges and seal properly. Do not overfill the samosas. Heat oil and fry in medium heated oil until beautifully golden brown and crispy. Seal the edges properly before frying. Fry on medium heat for even crispiness. Potatoes provide energy and fullness. Homemade snacks are fresher and more hygienic. Fresh herbs and spices naturally enhance flavor. You can control spices and oil according to your preference. Your crispy homemade aloo samosa is ready. Serve hot with tea, sauce or chutney and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.